everyone, I'm Sava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about superfoods. So, what are they? Do they even exist? And what are some potential examples of some? But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so what are superfoods? We've all heard of the term superfood, but what does it really mean? Nutritionally speaking, there's really no such thing as a superfood. A superfood is more of a marketing term for foods that are really nutritious and have health benefits. So this term is more so used as a marketing word in order to boost products or try and sell a trend or a certain product that's on the market. But there are certain foods that do have greater health benefits than most, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to call them superfoods. These foods are going to contain a variety of different nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, healthy fats, that sort of thing. These nutrients can prevent anything from heart disease to cancer to diabetes to digestive issues, so clearly there are a lot of health benefits with these types of foods. Since 7 is my favorite number, I'm going to list out for you 7 examples of my favorite superfoods. Example number 1 are raw nuts and seeds. These provide fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and loads of vitamins and minerals. Some of my favorite nuts are almonds, walnuts, cashews, and macadamia nuts. Some of my favorite seeds are sunflower, hemp, flax seeds, and chia seeds. The second example of a superfood are berries. Oh my gosh, I literally eat berries every single day, whether it's just in a bowl, whether they're frozen, whether I put them in a smoothie, my cereal, yogurt. I even started putting them in my little ice cubes, whatever. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, soluble fiber, so they'll keep you full longer, vitamins, and phytochemicals. I don't really have one favorite berry. I'll have them all. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, cranberries, raspberries, any berry will do. But preferably all of the above. Number 3 is salmon. Now, if you follow the Mediterranean diet, you should be having fish at least once a week, but preferably twice. Salmon is one of the best sources of those omega-3 fatty acids, and they're packed with protein, B vitamins. Oh my god. Potassium and selenium. But when it comes to fish, you do have to be aware of the level of mercury that is found in certain fish. Typically, these are going to be fish that are higher up on the food chain. For example, bigger fish like sharks or swordfish are going to contain a higher amount of mercury than smaller fish such as sardines, smelts, and anchovies. Number 4 is kefir, not kefir like my dad likes to say, and yogurt, preferably Greek. So kefir is similar to Greek yogurt, but the consistency is thicker, so it's more so like you can drink it rather than a normal yogurt, and it has way more probiotics than yogurt does. And for those of you out there who are vegan or vegetarian or can't have milk, there are non-dairy versions. So for number 5, I'm going to talk about broccoli for the most part, but this is really just any dark leafy green. So not only is broccoli full of fiber and nutrients, but it also has a cancer-fighting agent called sulforaphane. Some other dark leafy greens that we can call superfoods would be kale, different cabbages, and spinach, and things like that. Number 6 is also one of my favorites. I swear I could live on potatoes, literally ask anybody. So for number 6, I'm going to group together sweet potatoes and squash. So sweet potatoes are very similar to leafy greens. They're full of fiber, vitamin A, and are loaded with carotenoids. So for number 7, I grouped together whole grains and beans. So the reason I did this is because the two of them have very similar nutrient benefits and health benefits. Beans are a great source of low-fat protein, insoluble fiber, which lowers your cholesterol, soluble fiber, which aids in satiety, so it's going to keep you fuller longer, and it has a ton of vitamins and trace minerals. Whole grains are not stripped of their nutrient-containing bran and their germinating portion due to processing, whereas refined grains are. My whole channel is about achieving optimal health through food and nutrition, and that's not going to happen by just choosing one of the latest food trends or one or two of these superfoods. Instead, good health is supported by eating a variety of different foods and nutrients every single day. No one food can single-handedly prevent you from a chronic illness or change your entire diet. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and veggies is really the key to good health. Including some or all of the foods that I listed today as part of your balanced diet, you're going to improve your overall health, and you can even potentially prevent some chronic diseases. So that's all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, make sure to head over to the link in my description box and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.